So you're broken down and you need our help. You've got two options. As always, you can use the telephone, or by far the quickest way is using the NRMA app. When you go onto the app, there's an icon for breakdowns. Simply pressing that button gets the ball rolling to get us out to you. Let's say your job's a little bit more urgent. Maybe there's a baby locked in a car, maybe you're in an unsafe location. There's an opportunity there to press a button that'll give you a priority through to one of our call takers who'll look after you. Maybe you're in unfamiliar surroundings, you're not sure where you are. The GPS has a locator, so it'll find exactly where you are. There's also an option that you can tweak it if need be. As well as that, if you want to know where our patrols are, you can press a button and it tracks our progress on our way out to you. So don't delay, make sure you download the NRMA app today. You can get it from the Apple App Store or from Google Play. So don't forget, load it up on your phone right now.